Hey guys, in this video I want to show you where to find discount codes for Travelodge. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, open up any web browser and head on over to Google. And once you're inside Google, type in discount codes Travelodge. Once you've done that, click search and you'll be brought to the search results inside Google. So you've got these third-party sites that offer discount promo codes. So we've got coupon follow at the top at 15% off. So keep scrolling down. You got voucher codes, you got Groupon, Simply codes, Real Tell Me Not, etc. So you got some of the big players here that offer discount codes. So the one I really like to use is coupon follow. So let's click into this. Any one of these sites will work, but just check the expiration dates of some of these codes because they may expire. So yeah, I'm inside coupon follow. If I scroll down, you can see 15% off, 10% off, etc, etc. So to activate any one of these offers, just simply click onto the offer. So I'm going to do this one here, 15% off all orders. And now from here, I'm going to copy this order and paste this at the checkout section of Travelodge to activate the 15% off. Or I can just simply click on redeem at Travelodge to automatically apply the 15% off.